How to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a saved draft video on TikTok and want to keep recording from where you left off, well, here is how to continue working on your TikTok draft step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply select the draft folders on your profile grid. And now here, simply choose the draft that you want to continue and tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the editing page. Now here you can trim, add text, filters or effect. But here to record more clips, you simply have to tap on the mobile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the editing section. Now here, if you want to record more clips, you simply have to tap on the plus icon, and after that on the new page you simply have to tap on the camera icon, and after that you can simply record new footage and it will be added to your draft timeline. But remember, TikTok does not allow you to extend an already recorded clip, but you can add new clips to the draft, re-edit and post whenever you are ready. And that's it. That's how you can continue recording or editing a draft video on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.